I'm located here at one of my newest listings, 2289 Yukon Crescent in the Watercolors building. Today we have a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, over 850 square feet of living space with 3 parking spots. Yes, you heard me, 3 parking. Plus, you've got a covered balcony overlooking a private courtyard view. And you are located in the heart of Brentwood, where everything you need is all around you, including Brentwood Mall, Skytrain, tons of amenities. And you're located with tons of new development all around you, like a new park and school. And I can't wait to give you a tour. Welcome to one of the best floor plans in this building. As you enter, you have 0 wasted square footage. You immediately are captivated by this open concept kitchen with this large island with tons of storage underneath. You also have a stainless steel appliance French door fridge built by GE. And you also have a gas stovetop included in your maintenance fees for those of you who love to cook. I also love that you have a 2-tone kitchen cabinet with the dark on the bottom and white on top, truly classic. This kitchen is truly for those of you who love to cook and entertain. This open concept floor plan transitions seamlessly from your kitchen into your dining room area. You've got the 6-seater massive dining room table, perfect for those of you who love to host dinner gatherings and parties. And I love this floor plan because you've got 850 square feet of living space, and both bedrooms are on opposite sides for privacy. Here is your living room, and you have this beautiful feature wall as your focal point with an electric fireplace, perfect for those winter cold nights. And you look at this beautiful sunshine coming through these windows, overlooking private view over the courtyard. And of course, you have this covered balcony, which you can use all year long. And you can even see Metrotown. This home won't last long. And here is your primary bedroom. And this is one of the reasons why this unit is so sought after, because of the generous sized room. Not only is this room large, but so is your second bedroom. This fits a queen size, even a king size bed. You also have a desk overlooking your private courtyard. This is a perfect view for those of you who want to treat this as an oasis. This home has so much storage. You also have a his and hers closet. Of course, the hers is the walk-in closet, ladies. Behind me now is your private ensuite with double sinks and of course the matching beautiful granite countertops with a soaker tub, perfect for you to relax and unwind. As a resident of this building, you get to enjoy this amenity room for free, of course with a deposit. You get to have dinner gatherings here, parties, or even barbecues outside. Not only that, you also have a hot tub as well as a sauna that you can use during the winter months. I'm standing here in the courtyard of your view from the 2nd floor at Unit 208. This is the perfect view for those of you who love a tranquil setting. You also have a daycare right beside this building for those of you who have young children. And not only that, being in the heart of Brentwood, you have all the amenities that you would want. Restaurants, shopping, banks, and so much more. If you want to take a look at this amazing home, feel free to contact me. My name's Denise Mai, and I'm more than happy to set up a private view with you.